Hey DIY decorators and lovers of the beach, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a DIY sea glass and seashell mirror. And we're painting it with unicorn spit and glazing over everything with Famo wood glaze coat. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a DIY sea glass mirror. Make sure to grab a tube of E6000 Plus. It's the new E6000 glue from Eclectic Products that has all the benefits of regular E6000 and no odor. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.